How to build a bulletproof crypto trading strategy in 2025. Crypto trading is no longer about simple chat patterns and moonshot bets with AI-infused markets, meme coin mania, unpredictable macro forces. Traders need smarter, more resilient strategies. And today, that's what we'll be talking about. Why 2025 is a whole new game where markets are changing, and obviously the ages do evolve, and it actually requires precision and adaptability. And today we'll be talking about some of the ways that you can stay on top of your crypto trading journey. If you like the kind of content on this channel, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, check out the links down below. Let's not waste any time, right? So for many trends, AI-powered trading bots. The impact on traders is quite tremendous here. AI tools are definitely automating everything from scalping to liquidation, tracking. Meme coin microcycles are also another trend, right? You've got meme assets now pump and dump in hours, requiring ultra fast execution. You also have macro volatility, geopolitical shifts, interest rate swings. You've seen what's going on with the trade wars, etc., right? And then now you also have DeFi and on-chain intel. So on-chain data is no longer optional. It's definitely all about the alpha. So there are many different strategies here. I'm just going to touch on 5 strategies that you as a trader should know. You don't need to obviously trade everything, but you definitely need to master one thing. Of course, there are different strategies. So first one is scalping, where you've got time frames between 1 to 5 minutes. The goal here is to capture micro price movements, and the tools are order book depth, low latency, centralized exchanges, trading view, things like that. The risk is high fees over trading. Of course, the scalping swing trading is another strategy here. You've got time frames between 1 and 7 days. The goal is to play trend reversals and momentum, right? Combining TA and macro analyst, FOMC, CPI, and the tools for this, RSI, fib levels, MACD, things like that. You also have the strategy of trend following, right? Where it takes pretty much the time frame here is days to weeks. You can ride established momentum. So BTC trend out, AI altcoins, for example. The strategy is MA crossovers, right? Trend spider, etc. The bonus here is to combine with funding rate analysis. You also have another strategy, delta neutral time frame, passive yield strategy here. The goal is in funding without directional risk, short perps, long spot or LPing in a range bound AMM, right? So perfect for bear markets or sideways chops. Number 5 is arbitrage, where of course this could be seconds to minutes, capturing price inefficiencies across venues. You could do triangular cross exchange, DeFi and SEX arbitrage, flash bots. The tools here, MEV scanners, DLN, for example, right? And then obviously you have combining just the technical and on-chain intelligence in 2025. Definitely TA alone is not enough, which you see a lot of YouTubers do, but smart traders definitely tend to blend on-chain forensics with other traditional technicals, right? So you've got different tools for that, technical tools, trading view, trend spider, chat GPT, for example, right? You've got use cases here, pattern recognition, breakout setups. You've got on-chain tools, Acom on Look on Chain, Nansen, tools like that. You've got use case here being a whale moves, right? Smart money tracking. Then you've got a hybrid Coinalyze, where you're really looking at open interest and chat confluence here. You've got sentiment tools like Sentiment, Lunar Crush, where you're looking at social mentions, trader sentiment shifts, things like that. And then there's different platforms to execute your strategies on. Platforms like Binance, where you've got advanced spot plus perps. You could do copy trading, grid bots, margin. You've got xt.com, which is non-KYC, high leverage AI tools, copy vaults. You've got Weex, pro traders transparent leaderboards up to 200x leverage, BloFin, derivatives focused, copy trading, staking, low latency. You've got Gravity, grvt.io, which is a fantastic platform, with high security, really combining that hybrid architecture to bring you the best in trading. And then obviously when you look at automation with bots, there's also some do's and don'ts. The do's being back testing your strategies with real historical volatility, using API keys with IP whitelisting for safety, starting with paper trading mode, monitoring bot logs, and then things that you shouldn't do, like buying bots from random Telegram groups, avoiding over optimized AI bots with no transparency, and never auto trading meme coins, right? Manual control is better, and not using leverage where you don't need to, right? So really, in this kind of macro driven environment, your strategy is not just your edge, it's actually your identity. You just make sure you pick a core strategy, you learn from every loss, you leverage data and don't drown in it. Use tech, but never outsource your judgment. Best traders won't always be the fastest, they'll always be the most adaptive. And I think there's many different strategies. Like I said, you can use trend following or delta neutral strategies, use platforms like Binance for perps or BloFin for copy trading, tools like TradingView, Arkham, automation with smart bots with capped risk, and risk models like 2% per trade, 5% max daily drawdowns, and things like that, just to make sure you are bulletproofing your strategy 2025 when you're out here in the crypto markets trading. And like I said, guys, go check out the links down below to all the platforms that I've talked about here, and also check out the links to my book DeFi Millionaire, which is at defi-millionaire.com if you want to learn about decentralized finance, or my other books, Tokenized Trillions or Blockchain Applied. Or if you want to get into Web3 wagering, the smart contract betting on sports, whether it's soccer, basketball, rugby, tennis, esports, great platform. Web3, non-custodial, just interacting with the smart contracts powered by Azure protocol via smart contract bets.xyz, the best place to wager in Web3. You should get on it. Go check it out. Like I said, guys, this is no financial advice. Just make sure you do all your own research. I'm just sharing the things that I like and I like to do, and the kind of strategies that I'd like to implement. So make sure you do more research. And also when you're trading, especially when you're trading with leverage, you are always employing all the risk mitigation things like take profits, stop losses, and making sure you don't overtrade or use high leverage where you cannot afford to. And just make sure you stay safe out here. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video.